I'm not a mechanic, but I wanted to do this video because after watching the other videos on how to change a light bulb on a 2017 Nissan Versa, I got some crazy videos talking about taking off the bumper and all other kind of pieces and taking off the entire assembly. So I thought I'd come out here and look and see what I needed to do, just in case they were wrong or that something had changed. And so I've already changed one of the bulbs, but this is a 2017 Nissan Versa S, and I've already changed one of the headlights. And I need to change this one here. So first thing, look back here, and hopefully you can see that okay. Let's do a little flashlight there, let's make it brighter. There we go. See that part? That's your headlight. That's it. It's right there. You can see my hand reach in there. So there you go. Perfect view. So that's the connector. So you just want to wiggle that off a little bit. This is probably the hardest part. Well, the second hardest part. There we go. So that's it. Where are we at? Forgive my video because it ain't that good, because I'm not a professional video person or a mechanic. Just a guy trying to make stuff happen. So you have those 3 plugs. And inside there you can see the bulb. That's it. Alright, and now there's a rubber ring around it. Keep moisture and dust and all that good stuff out. There's a little pull tab. I'll show a better view. But you can see that it just comes undone. Reminds me of a little plunger for a toilet. Thick plastic, thick rubber, whatnot. Alright, and then inside there, let's see if we can get in there to see it. Right in. Yeah. There you go. That right there. There's a little clip. Push both sides in. And it releases. I'm sorry. I said push both of them in. You push both of them out to release it. And it's hung around the rubber, but it's open on the end. So you can pop that rubber piece around it. And boom, there you go. Now you can see the clip a little bit better. There, that thing. And it clips in over on the end. See those 2 latch parts? Clips right in there. Boom, done. That's it. That's all it takes to take these out. This rubber here is a pain in the butt. So, all you gotta do is push it out. I feel like this video is already too long. It doesn't take as long as to do as it does to show the video. So anyway, with this, let's see if I can prop this up somewhere. There we go. Let's prop it up right here. All right. So this part doesn't come off easy. Where'd my little tool go? So I got a little tool to push in there. To help pry it off like that. Anything. I got this little punch tool. Probably use anything. Might could use your hands, but that's it. Done. I'm gonna set that to the side. Grab this other one. Yeah. I used that extra bright light because it's the original lights on the car, and so I wanted to get the same one so it had the same brightness and didn't look different driving down the road. So then you have the beveled part. You push it in there A lot easier to put on than take off. Boom, it's on. I gotta get a little bit more. There you go. See? That's it. And I probably got duped when I did this, but when I bought this, but I went ahead and bought some bulb grease. It's like 99 cents. You put it on there to help prevent the moisture. Again, I've never done that before. I've had quite a few cars. Changed a lot of bulbs. But I was like, well, to hell with it. Why not? Who knows nowadays, right? They don't make things easy for us. So I went ahead and put that on there just in case. So then, all right, now we're going to put it back in. So we put it back in just the same way we put it out. Grease. All right, so let's do that. Now we just put it back in the same spot. There we go, down there. Once you set it in there and get that metal piece back on the inside around that rubber seal, I'm doing all this one-handed. Okay, let's see, I think I got it. So I can hold the camera in the other because I'm such a non-professional doing this. And it's still taking me less time. And some of the other videos were 18 minutes long. Can you believe that? Alright, so anyway, you put it in there. I'm going to pause it for just a second. Alright, so there it is back in there. Had a little bit of the trouble with a rubber seal that has to be fitted around there. At the end right there, this part wasn't sitting properly. Then I plugged it back in, and that's it. And we have light, and that's all there is to it. Really hope this video helped y'all, because I don't understand what the problem is with the other videos. That's a Nissan Versa 2017. And check yours out before you try taking off the bumper or underneath the engine and all the crazy stuff that the videos have out there. Good luck, everyone.